Alright guys, so as you're coming up, what you want to do is find your rib and stay on your ribs as you're going up here, because if you don't, you're going to do more damage than you do good. So I've got one of these aerobics, or whatever you call it, these yoga mats down here. Thank you, honey. And then this moving blanket thing here. What we want to do is try to disperse the weight as much as we can. Unless you weigh less than 100 pounds. If you weigh less than 100, then don't worry about it. So this fantastic fan, you can see it had leaks because it had tape put on it to try to prevent the leaks. We're going to get all that off. Kind of boring. Oh yeah, make sure you wear sunglasses. Otherwise you won't be able to see. Alright, there's a crack right there with a rusty screw on the corner. That's definitely a problem. And we've got, every screw is rusted, so they're not stainless obviously. Coming through here, this is where the hinge is, so as these other videos say, make sure that your hinge goes forward on the trailer. That way, if you accidentally take off with it open, or you want to let some air in while you're moving, you can do it. If you face it forward, it'll just get ripped right off by the wind. So yeah, we got a lot of problems here for sure. And the problems are based on the fact of what we learned in the meantime. And what we've learned in the meantime is you gotta goop it on there. And we're using a self-leveling Sikaflex this time. And that's going to make all the difference in how we get this thing straightened out. Unfortunately, this corner's cracked, that corner's cracked. 3 out of 4 corners are cracked. So this is going to have to come off. The framing, the plastic, which I hate, is going to have to come off and replace because there's too many cracks. Okay. I think we can get away with putting it together the traditional way when we put it back together, because this isn't traditional. And if we go with traditional slathering of self-leveling Sikaflex, we'll probably be all right. That's it for part 2. And now starts the disassembly. What we'll do is take the screwdriver, unscrew these screws, get this removed, and then we go to part 3.